Are filming it. The boys want to be really mean and rude to all these seagulls. So here they are. Look at this poop. That wasn't very nice, boys. But I don't think pooping all over the place was very nice either. That's a lot of poop. Haven't had much rain, so. You guys should get your coats on. It's a little chilly out. Oh, you guys are stepping in poop.
I know, you are too.
I know. It's pretty dry. It almost looks like paint.
Yeah.
Let's come on up the rest of the way. And
They poop.
look at these guys. These guys are cool. They're not bothering anybody, just chilling out. Pretty soon they're, well, either they could be already south. They might be actually ones that live in Canada that are staying here for the winter. Or they might be just passing through.
They look like they tried to paint this bridge. Yeah, but it's really just all burnt poop.
Well, just, you know.
It's like they tried to paint this white.
When they all come back, see, look at the seagulls just chilling out in the water over here. That's what you get for stealing our or a cheeseburger, or what else? A hot dog. Remember they stole Sissy's hot dog? Where at Rudy's?
Hey, someone joked!
Oh.
But Daddy, that's definitely not bird poop. Yeah, Daddy, that's definitely not bird poop.
Where?
That yellow stuff.
Where? Oh, no, that's
Trying to
right.
smell something. Well, Mom, I think.
Alright. Now we could go over there. I think those are all ducks over there. Funny how they don't like to hang out together. Huh?
This is wet bird poop. Yeah.
Alright, say goodbye, boys.
Bye! Like and subscribe! Guys!
Okay, what are we going to name this one? What are we going to name this one? Bird poop paint?
Yeah.
Alright, I like it.